Please check your cabinet type first. Here are 3 different types for your choice. Type 1. Make sure the panel is inset. Open the drawer and look at the thickness of the panel. Open the drawer. Measure the thickness of the panel at distance C. Make sure the right direction of the catch. Peel off the backing paper. Step 1. Leave distance C and stick the catch on the top of the drawer. Type 2. Look at the overhang part and the thickness of the panel. Measure the overhang part at distance B. Measure the thickness of the panel at distance A. Distance C is distance A plus distance B. Make sure the right direction of the catch. Peel off the backing paper. Step 1. Leave distance C and stick the catch on the top of the drawer. Type 3. The drawer panel extends over and covers the drawer edge. Peel off the backing paper. Make sure the right direction of the catch. Step 1. Stick the catch on the top of the drawer and ensure the edge of the catch is aligned. Please note, the check has been finished. The rest steps are same for 3 different types. Step 2. Apply the positioning tape onto the install helper and the latch. Step 3. Peel off the backing paper from the tape. Step 4. Insert the install helper to the catch. Step 5. Close the drawer, then open it again, and insert the install helper on the drawer panel. Step 6. Attach the latch onto the install helper. Step 7. Secure it with screws. Step 8. Remove the install helper at last. How to use. Press softly to unlock. Close the door to lock.